Aloha, I'm Kiana Cayabyab and you're watching Star News Live. Here are today's top Hawaii headlines from the editors at the Honolulu Star-Advertiser. Hawaii health officials today reported 88 new coronavirus infections, the highest daily total so far this month. The 88 new cases raised the state's total since the start of the pandemic to 28,509 infections. No new fatalities were reported today for the fourth consecutive day, which leaves the statewide virus death toll at 451. Today's new infection cases include 39 on Maui, 38 on Oahu, 7 on the Big Island, 2 on Molokai, and 2 Hawaii residents diagnosed outside the state. Health officials also reported 3 new hospitalizations of virus patients. As of Wednesday, there were 21 virus patients in Hawaii hospitals, with 6 of them in intensive care units and 4 on ventilators. The number of active cases has been rising this week, with the state reporting 781 currently active infections today. Hawaii has reached a significant milestone in the battle against COVID-19 with more than 500,000 vaccine doses being administered. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention COVID data tracker reported that Hawaii has administered nearly 40,000 doses per 100,000 residents. That's the 7th best rate amongst all states. The state is currently in Phase 1C of its vaccine distribution, but only to limited groups within the phase, including those ages 65 and up. Lieutenant Governor Josh Green said he believes everyone eligible in Phase 1C should be immunized by the end of April. For a full list of vaccination sites, how to sign up, and other requirements, go to staradvertiser.com. Honolulu police say they have arrested a 41-year-old woman after she nearly hit 2 police officers with a stolen vehicle in Wahiawa. The incident happened on Wednesday just before 10:20 a.m. Police said officers spotted the suspect, identified as Candace Williams, in a stolen vehicle in a Wahiawa parking lot. When police approached her, she allegedly drove toward them and nearly hit 2 officers. Police said she also struck 3 HPD vehicles as she fled. Officers located and arrested her on Kamananui Road, about a quarter mile from the parking lot. Police arrested her on suspicion of 2 counts of first-degree attempted murder on a law enforcement officer, 3 counts of criminal property damage, 1 count of promoting a dangerous drug in the 3rd degree, and auto theft. A suspected serial sex offender is being held in custody after allegedly assaulting a Honolulu deputy prosecutor on Tuesday. The suspect, 37-year-old Randy Jacob, had been arrested in 5 separate incidents in March for allegedly groping women's breast and buttocks without their consent in the downtown area. He was released from jail each time after he was arrested. Then on Tuesday, in front of Honolulu District Court, Jacob allegedly grabbed a woman's buttock. The woman, a city deputy prosecutor, screamed and told him to stop. She then chased him after, but lost sight of him and called police. Officers found Jacob in the corner of Hotel and Bishop Streets and arrested him on suspicion of 4th-degree sexual assault. On Wednesday, District Judge Stephen Hartley ordered that he not be released from jail, unlike his previous 5 arrests this month. The board of directors of the Big West Conference said today they will leave it up to conference member schools, including the University of Hawaii, on whether or not to allow fans to attend spring sports events. Men's volleyball, softball, and baseball are among the spring sports that UH has traditionally had seating for fans. Opening up to fans would still be subject to local and state health and safety restrictions. UH officials have yet to announce what policy they will pursue on game attendance. In the fall, Big West directors voted to prohibit spectators at basketball and other sporting events, but had said they would revisit the issue as new virus data emerges. For more on these stories and all the latest headlines, subscribe to the Honolulu Star-Advertiser. Visit Hawaii's top source for breaking news online at staradvertiser.com and download the Star-Advertiser mobile app. Mahalo, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.